believe this. Can't believe what happened. I don't say let me share this with you guys. Of course I have to do this. I didn't know about how this is until a friend of mine told me about this particular setting that you have to turn on YouTube before he actually look at the performance. This is like what my account was before, and this is like extra 153 followers, and you can also see the performance. That's pretty good though. This like 20 something on, bro. I'm surprised. This look, aside from trying to do a lot of things in your video, trying to make things to like the quality of your video, trying to do something other things. Now all the other thing that also matters now is what is in your setting. Okay, what is in your setting? You need to also make sure you set your channel properly. The only way this thing work for you is that you have to just calm down, relax. I'm here with you. Follow along, do what I do, and just follow the step by step. I'm gonna guide you directly to the desktop. Now it cannot do this on your Android mobile phone. Sorry, you can't do it on mobile phone. Okay, like I think you have to do it on desktop. That the best way you can do it using your PC, laptop, whatever you have. Just you have to go into the studio. So I'm on my laptop right now, so I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do. As I said, follow me as I do step by step. I'm not going to skip much. So right away we are going to move to YouTube studio. This is my laptop right now, so let's move right into the YouTube studio. I say video, can't imagine, but I've not eaten, bro. So hopefully I've not forgotten. All right. That's like okay under customization. See that right there? Then you have to scroll down. That's how I don't get some more. No. Yeah, let's go to home tab, Abby. Home tag, yes, home tag. Jesus Christ, this imagine I almost forgot. Hey, wahala, and I've not turned it on in this my channel, so I'm planning on doing it now. So you go for YouTube recommends fresh content based on your YouTube views interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. Yeah, that's when you have enough content though. Now this is very much important. Now you can turn all this thing off or on, but let's turn this one on. Recent content only. Recent, because you don't want those old ones like you know how you did it, like you're so far, like like you didn't really, because I'm pretty sure the journey of you being who you are right now is better than before. So new things, new way, because if I subscribe to you, I don't want to be saying 4 years ago you were doing this one, this one we do like that. So yeah, so this is better, and you can go ahead and just choose which one specifically you want to be. If either it's video, you can turn it off. But let's think. I don't want short. I don't want to recommend short to them live. Yeah, it's cool. So you click on done, and you're done. And you call it short. Wait, calm on down. Wait, calm down. Don't rush it. Don't worry. Now, next thing you have to do is go to publish, and that's the final step. And we are. Oh God, it's taking time. Imagine. See that there? Change published. Perfect. And that's it. Remember to subscribe, follow,